Hi guys, Jeff here from TAP. Just another case study that we just want to focus on today in regards to this VW Golf. So it's a 2014 Golf Mark 7. This particular case study here had a default 1.4 litre engine, CHPA. And it is not a common problem, but one we've struck a few times in our workshop as well as another member. And that is where it's come in with multiple misfire codes for cylinder 1, cylinder 3, random misfires, etc. And it's come through from another workshop, and in the end it is the incorrect spark plug. So with the actual spark plugs fitted to the car, they are a particularly precise spark plug, and the incorrect plug was fitted to the vehicle. So don't ever jump too deep into a case study or into a problem car too quickly. Make sure you're checking your basics, especially if it's not a car you've worked on before. Check the basics first. Misfire codes, checking the spark plugs. In this particular case, the incorrect ones were fitted to the car, and that was then causing, after a period of time, random misfires across all 4 cylinders. So a good one to keep in mind, that we're checking the basics, especially for unfamiliar cars that might come into your workshop. Hopefully that helps you out, and see you next time.